Hi, welcome to the demo of RPA Genie. In this video, we will learn about the source control feature. Whether you're working alone or with a team, managing your project changes efficiently is essential for smooth collaboration and version control. Let's take a closer look at how source control works and why it is important. Source control in RPA Genie Studio is a feature that allows multiple users to collaborate on large projects. With the Genie source control integration, team can work seamlessly without overwriting each other's changes. Whenever a user finishes modifying a project or a process, they can check in the changes, making it available for other users to continue working. Checking in the process is crucial. It prevents conflicting changes and ensures that the changes or the modification that the user has made will be reflected in the source control panel as a history. Now let us switch to the RPA Genie Studio to understand this in a better way. We will create a simple project to print the current date and time in the message box. In the project source control, we have the main process, datetime log folder containing a log file, a deleted process known as process test showing a cross mark which was initially added and checked in, and a newly added process known as new process. In the main process sequence, we have the current date time activity which will help to fetch the present date and time. In the input field, I have selected Indian Standard Time as time zone, and the output of this activity will be stored in the output variable called as var current date time. Next, let us add a message box activity. I have provided a suitable caption, and in the message field, we will provide the same output variable of the current date time activity to print the current date and time. Let me save these changes. Now, let us understand how to check in the process. In the Project Explorer, you can either right-click on the particular process and select the check-in option, or you can right-click on the project and select the check-in all option. The check-in option is used for a particular process, while the check-in all option is used to check in all the processes that comes under the project. Now you are redirected to the source control panel. It can also be accessed by clicking on the source control icon on the right-hand side of the designer panel. Once the source control panel has been accessed, we will be able to see a list which consists of a project, processes, folders, files, UI window, or the combination of all depending on what the user has created or modified. The green icon besides the process in the source control indicates that the process has been newly created and is ready to be checked in. The orange icon besides a process in the source control indicates that the modifications have been made to an existing process and is ready to be checked in. And the red icon besides a process in the source control indicates that a checked in process is ready to be deleted and must be selected from the source control in order to completely remove that particular process from the project. Select the one you have modified. We can select either a single process or multiple processes depending on the requirement. Next, we need to add a suitable comment in the comments field. All the changes performed in the project workflow in the latest version can be specified, and then finally click on the commit button to check in these changes. Let's go back to the Project Explorer. Once checked in, a log symbol appears next to the process name in the Project Explorer, indicating that it's now logged for others. So basically, a user has to check in a process after making the required changes to the process so that the other users can check out that particular checked-in process to make further modifications to the same. Since it is logged now, I am also unable to modify this project further. So now, I will show you how a user can check out the process and make changes to this project. In order to check out, in the Project Explorer, right-click on the project name and select the Checkout option. Also, you can right-click on the process that was checked in and select the Checkout option. Now, the log symbol is been replaced by a tick mark which indicates that the process is ready to be edited by the user. When a user checks out a project, it essentially logs it to prevent conflicting changes from being made by other users while they are editing. If you wish to track all the modifications performed in a project by multiple users, the History tab in the Source Control panel lets you see the complete history of all the changes that have been made to any of the processes. The changes are reflected in the history. Also, the username who performed the modification and when the modification was made can also be seen. You can select any item under the history to view or compare modification before and after check-in, ensuring transparency and accuracy in the collaboration. So you can select main sequence and you would be able to see what all changes have been done. In this latest version, we have added the message box activity. Also, the activities variables would be reflected in this comparison. Also, users can access the history of different versions of the same process. For that, in the Project Explorer, right-click on the process and select the View History option. Here, the details such as the version ID, modified by, modified on, comments provided while committing the changes, and the rollback options are available to the users. So let us now execute this project. In the message box, it is printing the current date and the time. That's a wrap on source control feature of RPA Genie Studio. With this feature, it is easy to manage modifications in your project, collaborate with your team, track modification history, and also maintain version integrity. Thanks for watching.